welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the vibrant and electrifying world of rave wear. Rave fashion is all about expressing your unique style and standing out in the crowd with bold, colorful, and daring outfits. Whether you are heading to a music festival or a rave, just want to infuse some excitement into your wardrobe, rave wear is the perfect way to do it. Let's explore the various styles, essential pieces, and tips for creating unforgettable rave outfits. Rave wear is characterized by its bright colors, flashy designs, and often revealing cuts. It's a blend of comfort and style designed to keep you looking fabulous and feeling great as you dance the night away. From neon colors and holographic fabrics to edgy accessories and creative makeup, rave fashion is about embracing fun and freedom. Bodysuits and leotards are staple pieces in rave wear. They are versatile, comfortable, and come in a variety of designs from sequined and holographic to mesh and sheer. Pair them with high-waisted shorts, skirts, or fishnet stockings to create a bold look. Bodysuits are perfect for showcasing your curves while allowing you to move freely on the dance floor. Crop tops and bralettes are another popular choice for rave wear. These tops are perfect for hot and energetic environments, allowing you to stay cool while dancing. Look for options with bright colors, unique patterns, or embellishments like sequins and fringe. Pair them with high-waisted shorts, skirts, or leggings for a fun and flirty outfit. High-waisted shorts and skirts are essential for completing your rave outfit. They offer comfort and style and can be found in a variety of materials including denim, vinyl, and spandex. Look for designs with bold prints, holographic finishes, or added details like studs and chains. High-waisted bottoms are great for pairing with crop tops, bodysuits, and bralettes. Leggings and fishnets add an extra layer of flair to your rave outfit. Opt for leggings with eye-catching patterns, holographic materials, or neon colors. Fishnet stockings or tights can be worn alone or layered over colorful leggings for a unique look. They add texture and dimension to your outfit while keeping you comfortable and stylish. Accessories are the key to completing your rave look. Think bold and flashy statement jewelry, LED accessories, colorful wigs and funky hats, glow sticks, body glitter and face jewels are also popular choices. Don't forget a stylish and practical bag like a fanny pack or crossbody to carry your essentials while you dance. Neon colors and glow in the dark elements are quintessential rave wear features. Choose outfits with neon shades like electric blue, hot pink, and lime green. Glow in the dark accessories such as bracelets, necklaces, and body paint will make you stand out when the lights go down. Holographic and metallic fabrics add a futuristic and edgy vibe to your rave outfit. Look for holographic bodysuits, skirts, and leggings that catch the light and create a mesmerizing effect. Metallic pieces like jackets or shorts add a shiny, reflective element that complements the vibrant rave atmosphere. Sheer and mesh materials are perfect for layering and adding depth to your outfit. Sheer tops, skirts, and dresses can be worn over bright and bold undergarments, creating a dynamic and eye-catching look. Rave wear is all about expressing yourself, embracing bold colors, and having fun with your style. From dazzling bodysuits and bralettes to high-waisted shorts and staple accessories, there are endless ways to create unforgettable rave outfits. Comfort and safety, ensuring you have a fantastic time at your next rave or music festival. Thank you for watching Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope this guide to rave wear have inspired you to create your own dazzling outfits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Share your favorite rave outfits with us in the comments below. Until next time, keep shining and enjoy the rave. Bye for now.